Hello everyone and welcome to Flying Ants Academy, a channel where we talk about programming and game development. In this first series of video lectures, I will be teaching you computer programming. So if you ever wondered what computer programming is, or if you ever wanted to write computer programs but you never knew where to start or how to go about it, then you have come to the right place. No matter your background, whether you're from arts, science or commerce, if you know basic maths and if your logic is clear, if you know that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and if you know what multiplication and division means, then I will be teaching you programming from scratch. And if you follow these video lectures with me to the end, I can guarantee you that by the end of it, you will be able to write your own programs the way you want with full confidence. So that's it for the current video. This was just a short introduction. In the next video, I will be talking about what a computer program is and the basic logic behind writing computer programs. So stay tuned.